Hi y'all, it's April and I'm here to show you this Ferris Land rock fountain. So this is how it comes in the box. There's the base, instructions, so you can see it comes nicely packaged. This is going to set right on there, like that. This little thing goes in the top. And this is the plug and the rocks. So I'm going to pause and fill it up with water so you can see it actually working. So here it is all set up and working. When installing it, there's a little light ring that you put over the intake tube, and you put it up to the top so that you can see there's a little light now coming through. And on the pump itself, there is a button to adjust to high, medium, or low, and that will adjust how fast the water flows, which I really like. I had it on high at first, and I felt like it was spinning the ball too much and it made it kind of loud, so I put it on medium, and that helped. You can hear a very low motor sound, but it's not very much at all. So I think this is very pretty. It's very relaxing. I like the light. Sometimes the ball starts to spin. You can kind of make it spin. And you can also take off the ball and you have more of a trickling water sound. This would be perfect for a home office, at work office, next to your bed if you like the sound of water when you're sleeping. I would highly recommend this. This is a really nice looking fountain. I'm impressed.